Hi, my name is Chris and today we're going to be unboxing the V5 high pressure washer from V-TUF. Let's get this bad boy open. The V5 from V-TUF is a tough DIY pressure washer with great performance and longer life. Robust, reliable, compact, the V5 110V X2 pressure washer is ideal for cleaning and removing stubborn dirt and grime from patios, fences, garden furniture, car parks and even industrial garage areas. Offering a maximum performance of 150 bar with the unique V-TUF design incorporating the Toolstop system, not only does it save energy, but also makes sure this machine continues to effortlessly work on site. As you can see, the V5 is a tough and durable piece of kit. It has an extendable handle with these aluminium pipes which make it good and sturdy. It comes with the safety feature of a yellow hose and yellow electrical cord to help you see them so that you don't accidentally trip over them in a dark area or somewhere that might have black ground or something like that. There's a brushless motor that lasts longer than most domestic pressure washers. It comes with this turbo washer which washes 3 times faster than a traditional fan washer. The V-TUF also has a snow foaming applicator which will help when you're using detergents or any kind of cleaning products with the V5. As you can see, it has a soap tank in the back and different degrees of power hosing nozzles which can be used depending on your application. This is a 150 bar power washer and has about 6 litres per minute of spray. The V-TUF V5's professional power washer tools, accessories and cables are all neatly stored on board, and the washer is designed to be durable and easy to use. The V-TUF V5 110X2 compact pressure washer comprises of all the cleaning power and energy saving efficiency you would expect, as well as an innovative design for smaller storage areas and easy manoeuvring thanks to its heavy duty wheels and improved aluminium telescopic handle. Guaranteed to cut through deep dark grime and leaving your surfaces looking new, superb, but most importantly clean. So that's it from this unboxing of the V5 power washer from V-TUF. If you would like more information on this product, don't forget to check out our website at www.toolstop.co.uk. Thanks for watching.